Let's start. So excited for today. Sheesh. So what's up mga shoppo, in today's video, I'm so excited kasi you already know nasa title na yung gagawin natin, but I can't even believe na I have this pair sa on hand. And yun, I'm so excited talaga. And matagal na rin ako hindi nakapagganto. And I really miss this. But before anything else, please like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para lagi ka updated. So, at kung hinihintay natin, let's roll the intro. Sheesh! So, yun nga guys. So, grabe. I can't even believe, I'm shaking. So, this is our pair for today. Sheesh! You already know. Guys. Box pa lang. So, here is our box. So, it's a reverse mocha. The box actually, if you have the pair na reverse mocha Travis Scott, this is the parang pair niya. So, medyo glossy siya. No? Glossy, very solid. Malaki yung box niya. Well, I guess kasi dahil malaki din yung size kasi it's personal pair. So, this is our pair for today. So, this is our size tag. Ayan. So, this is a size 12 men's. My size. Of course. And, yun. This is our, ito yung details natin. Air Jordan 1 Low OGS Speed DM7866200. Ang color way natin is medium olive, black sail, muslin, olive, moyen, noil, nor. So, yan siya. And usually made in China, size 12 US, 46 euros, and of course, UK 11. Tapos merong QR codes there. Grabe. That's all naman. I guess iba na makukuha mo siya in raffles. Usually raffle kasi talaga to. So I got mine, of course, resell. Resell. Yeah, so ito yung ilalim ng box. Very typical na Jordans. Ayan. So bubuksan na natin. Huwag natin patagalin to. Grabe. I'm so excited. So, the typical box. Of course, this is the pair. Oh, syempre. The Travis Scott pink. Woo! Pink. Tapos, ayan na. Wow! Sheesh! So, lalabas na natin sa... Wow, grabe. Woo! Labas natin isa pang pair. Woo! Wow! Sheesh! Grabe. So, set aside muna natin yung box tapos i-review na natin siya. Let's go! Sheesh! So, yung guys, this is the pair. Boom! Sheesh! Sheesh na sheesh talaga, guys. Sobra, yung details, materials. You can't go wrong with Travis Scott talaga. And by the way, meron na pala siyang extra laces. So, naka-box laces siya. Meron tayong black. Yan. Black shoe laces. Tapos, free laces to. If you buy it, meron siyang yan, free laces. Naka-box siya parehas. Yeah. So, I'm not sure kung i-lace swap ko siya kasi ang default laces natin is white default laces. This is the pair. Siyempre, Cactus Jack logo. Smiley. Pagsad, nakakalungkot. Nakakalungkot talaga siya. And grabe yung materials. Black swoosh, very tumbled leather yan. Sobrang ganda ng leather na yan. By the way, this is the Travis Scott medium olive. No, Jordan 1 Low, Travis Scott medium olive. Grabe. I can't even, yan, nanginginig ako. I can't even talk kasi materials itself, sobrang premium. The suede, grabe, nagwawala yung suede niya. Tapos, dito sa gilid, ayan, nagwawala talaga. Very premium. And as far as I know, parang ang dami nagsasabi, nagre-review na mas makapal yung sack liner niya compared sa ibang Travis Scott, no? Tanggalin natin shoe 3. So inside, ito yung sa likod ng tang natin. And tapos red Nike Air logo there. Tapos syempre Cactus Jack branding. Parang mesh ata tong tang niya. Tapos ayan. Tapos grabe leather. Tapos seal yung midsoles. Grabe ang ganda. I can't believe. Tapos meron nga pala siya dito. Ayan, Cactus Jack. Yeah, red na details ng Cactus Jack. And of course, yung insoles natin. This is a size 12. Ayan, ito yung laces. Tanggalan natin. Size 12 men's. Tapos yan yung insoles natin. Tapos, syempre, size tag. Size 12 men's. Ang ganda ng details na sobra. Promise, legit. Tapos, dun sa other pair niya, syempre, Air Jordan 1, Air Jordan logo, o wing logo. Yan. Same details, nagwawala rin yung suede. Yan. Ganda ng, quality nung niya. Ng pagkakagawa talaga. Legit. Hopefully, magamit natin siya. Or magkaroon tayo ng event tapos magamit natin siya. Outsoles nga pala natin, syempre. Dark olive colorway. Ayan. So, tatlong color kasi siya. So, iba-iba. Meron siyang black olive. Meron din siyang lalabas parang black olive. Tapos, tawag doon, yung olive na una. Yung pang women's. Yan. Tapos, golf. So, olive din siya. So, papakita ko na lang. Ayan, grabe, sobrang ganda ng details niya. I can't even believe na makakuha tayo ng pair na to. Kasi, I really think na tataas yung value niya. Sobrang tataas. Kasi, ang ganda ng colorway, hindi siya katulad ng Canary na hindi siya masyadong napansin. Kasi wala masyadong pumansin dyan sa Canary, which is yung yellow. Ito kasi, neutral colors, sobrang daling bagayan. Lahat na outfit, pwede siya. Sobrang pwede siya sa pantalon, sa pants, sa shorts. Yun talaga yung grabe guys. I can't even believe na I have this in my hand talaga. Yun. Tapos, ang release date nga pala is, bago lang to, nasa September 28, 2024. So, it is a very fresh na pair. No, na makukuha natin, and 150,000 yung produce niya. So it is more accessible compared dun sa ibang releases ng Travis Scott na halos 30,000. Sobrang rare, sobrang hirap hanapin talaga. And dahil sa Travis Scott siya, ayan, madalas mahirap siyang hanapin, and usually sa raffles lang siya makukuha, no? Sa raffles lang siya makukuha talaga. So yun guys, sobrang ganda. This is my personal pair. Pero, pwede naman ako magbenta, or we are still, nagbebenta pa rin naman tayo ng ganito. So if you want to order, please PM lang sa ating Facebook page, which is yan, Shop of Sports Part, and yung ating Instagram if you want to get some pairs and your size, no? So pre-order siya. This is size 12 men's. This is my personal pair, but I'm planning to sell this, or magbebenta rin tayo ng ganito, no? So yun guys, that's our review for today. This is our pair for today. Grabe. Jordan 1 low, Travis Scott medium olive. You already know. Yeah. Sobrang ganda ng details. Very premium materials. And yan. I hope you like this video. Sobrang tagal ko rin na nakapag-video. And yun, busy lang. But yeah, I will upload more, no? And yun, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe sa ating YouTube channel para lagi ka updated. And yun guys, see you sa next video natin. Siya pa nga pala, let's go!